Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove Luxe and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by double tapping on the screen or by moving your watch basically to use the raise to wake up feature. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face. And some of the watch faces basically provide you with the information about the step count. Basically, some of them display the step counter right here. But if you don't see this information on the watch face, you can always swipe left on the screen to open the widgets, and the first widget will be the step widget, and here you can see the amount of steps taken on the widget. You can also tap on the widget to enter the weekly graph, and you can see the progression throughout the week. If you want to see more detailed information and your watch is paired with a phone, you can always check it there. So we can move our watch, move this to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera like this. On the phone that is paired with our watch, open the Garmin Connect application, and here on the My Day page you should see the steps. But if you don't see the steps right here on the page, tap on More, Activities, and the Steps. It will open the steps page. For some reason it flipped the screen, which is weird, but here we have it. And you have the progression from the day. We have the 7 days, 4 weeks, and a year, if you like to check it. And you have quite extensive information in the app if you use the app with your watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.